Hey, hi everyone, this is Admin from Admin 365, and today we are going to talk about how to fix Office 365 applications crashing, not responding, and freezing issue. So, do watch this video from start to end to know about each step which you can try in order to fix this issue. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. So, with Office application, be it Outlook, Word, Excel, or any other application, if it is freezing, not responding, and even crashing sometimes, so you might want to check few things first. The first thing which we want to check is to check if the operating system which you are using is up to date or not. So, be it Windows or a Mac, it has to be up to date. So we can just on the Windows machine we can just search for update, and we'll get this option, check for updates. We just have to go in here and check if there is any update and update it, and this is the option where we can click to know if there is any update. And I do have a feature update here, but if you see any update pending and you face issues with the application, you will have to make sure that you are up to date with the operating system. And once your operating system is updated, go to the Office applications, and we'll make sure that the Office application are up to date. Every operating system version does have a different Office 365 version for it. So once we update the operating system, we'll update the Office application as well. For that, you just have to launch any one of the Office application. Go to account, or if it is Outlook, then file and then account. And once you are here, you just have to click on update option and update now. And once you do that, and it will start the updation. If there is any update, it will trigger that and it will initiate that. And once all the application are updated and the operating system is updated with it as well, do check the behavior, and you can try the application again. And if it is working fine, then great. If it is still having the issue, then you might want to check the storage on your computer, if the RAM is sufficient or not. Office works completely fine with 8 gigabytes RAM on the computer. So if you have 8 or more RAM on the computer, that should be perfectly fine. That should not be an issue. So with considering that, and considering that we have 8 or more gigabytes in RAM, we can proceed to the next step. Usually we can try uninstallation and reinstallation of Office application. For that, you can just go to Control Panel on the computer, and in Control Panel we'll go to Programs and Features. And in here you just have to check the Office. Every computer should have only one Office 365 apps entry, but in some cases it does have two, but most of the time it will have one. To do make sure that you're having the right version on the computer. So you just have to select it to uninstall, and then click on uninstall. It will start the uninstallation. And once we have uninstalled, you can just go back to the portal and sign in with your accounts on the office.com, and you can just click on install Office and install it from here. It will begin the installation, and then you can check if it is working fine for you or not. Most of the time it should work fine after this step, but if you still face the issue, you might want to try it on a different Windows profile. So when I say different Windows profile, it means that a profile which you use to log on to the computer when you start the computer. So if you don't have any other logon ID on the computer, you can simply create it from the setting itself. You just have to go to accounts, settings, add, edit or remove any account, and then you just have to go to family and other user, and in other user you just have to click on add someone else to the PC. It will ask you to provide all the information. You can skip where it asks for the Microsoft ID. Here you can just click on I don't have the person sign in information and add a user without a Microsoft account. And once you have done that, you can just sign off from the computer. Try it with the account which you have just created. Check the office or the application which you are having issues with. Check the behavior of it on a new Windows profile. If it works fine on that profile, then the probable reason is your profile which is not allowing the Office application to work properly. Maybe it is corrupted, and that should resolve most of the issue. In case you still have the issue, there is one more command which we can run. That is basically a command which will install. For us to install that version of Office, we just have to run this command in the Windows run. This is the version of the Office. It will basically downgrade the Office application from the current version. All the features should be the same. It will just improve the stability. You can give it a try as well. You just have to open run by just typing on run in search, and then you just have to copy the entire part for the command here, paste it in here and hit OK. Once you do that, you will get a Microsoft prompt stating for the update and stuff. As you can see here, I have the same exact version of Office. I don't think it will do anything there, but yeah, you will see all the stuff. You will see downloading Office update, and it will update it in the background as well. So with that being said, this is the step which you can give. Try to fix your issues with Outlook or Office application not working as normal. And in case if you have any question, doubt, you can drop it in the comment section, and please do subscribe as well, and you have a nice day.